The following video is a discussion with the director of Jacob's Hope, Brent Johnson, and the apiary manager. The discussion is taking place in Ethiopia at the location of the beehives. The discussion is being translated by Pastor Binyam, a leader in the Assemblies of God National Church. Jacob's Hope is working with the Ethiopian National Church to develop an income stream for new pastors, evangelists, and Messianic church planters. Thanks for watching.
ይሄንን ፕሮጀክት ያው አሁን የጀመርንበት ትልቁ ምክንያት
the reason why you starting this beehive
ያው የቤተክርስቲያን የአገልጋዮች ደሞዝ በጣም አነስተኛ ስለሆነ
the church planters and the ministers the salary it's not big enough
ይሄንን ግንዛቤ በማድረግ
because of that just
ወደፊት ቤተክርስቲያን ሰዎች ወደ ቤተክርስቲያን አገልግሎት እንዲመጡ ለማድረግ
just calling the people just to be the for the fields
ወደፊት ትውልዱ ቤተክርስቲያን አገልጋዮች እንዳያጣ
in future to have many ministers and church planters
ያው እንደሚታወቀው የቤተክርስቲያን ክፍያ በጣም አነስተኛ ነው
because of it's very little money the church support for the church planters
በሌላ ቦታ ደግሞ የሚከፈለው በአለም ደግሞ የሚከፈለው ደሞዝ ብዙ ነው.
So my friend, this is a sustainable income generator for pastors and church planters. What is your greatest needs right now? If you had 2 or 3 things, what do you need to get the project really up and running?
ስራ ወደ ስራ ውስጥ አንደኛው ቶሎ ብሎ ወደ አገልግሎት የሚያስገባው በምን ያህል ጊዜ ምንድነው የሚያስፈልገው? አንድ ሁለት ብላው
እንግዲህ ያው እንደምታውቁት ለይሄ አገልጋዮችን ለመደጎም የተቋቋመ ነው.
just we just establishing this beehive project just to supporting
አንደኛ ማሰልጠኛ ሴንተር ነው.
and also which is a center of the giving a training
ወንጌላውያን እየሰለጠኑ በትርፍ ጊዜያቸው ወንጌል ካገለገሉ በትርፍ ጊዜያቸው ደግሞ ይሄንን ድጎማ እንዲያረጋቸው ከዚህ የሚያገኙትን ገንዘብ ድጎማ እንዲያረጋቸው ለማድረግ ነው.
Yeah, this place we just selecting this place giving a training for the church planter pastors and also to supporting
what kind of material needs does he
need? ምን ያስፈልጋል?
አሁን የሚያስፈልገው ሌላ ንብና ዘመናዊ ቀፎችን በዚህ ቦታ መጨመር ይፈልጋል.
Now still we need the beehive and also the bee himself we need it.
ቢያንስ ወደ 100 ቀፎ ለማድረግ ቀፎዎችና ንብ ያስፈልጋል.
So now we need 100 beehive we need it.
And then how long do you believe it's going to be before you are starting to produce honey and selling that honey for income right now?
ለመግባት እና ወይ ምርትንም ለማግኘትና ሌሎቹን ለመስጠት ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይፈልጋል?
አሁን ይሄኛው ከህዳር በኋላ ምርት ይሰጣል.
After November now we can produce honey now.
Okay, in November, November. Okay, be producing honey. And then what would you forecast as the time frame for distributing some of the beehives that you have developed and will develop before you release those to pastors and church planters around Ethiopia?
ያንን ነገር ለማስፋት ለመጨመር ምን ያህል ጊዜ አሁን ያልከውን ቀደም ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይፈልጋል?
and 6 ወር ይፈልጋል.
maybe 6 months.
6 months. Yeah. Okay. And will you have people come here and train them, or will you take the beehives to a certain place and do training in that area?
አሁን አንተ የምታደርገው ለነዚህ ፓስተሮች ስልጠና እዚህ መጥተው እንዲሰጡ የቤተክርስቲያን ተካዮች እዚህ ስልጠና እንዲሰጡ ነው ወይስ አንተ ሄደህ በየቦታ እያሰለጠንክ ትሰጣቸዋለህ?
ሁለቱንም ማድረግ ይችላል.
I can do both.
You can do both. Okay. And the EAGC is working with our brother to see this get done and up and running for the ministers and the church planters.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So what is the approximate cost for another 90 beehives?
አሁን 10 አለ 90 አሁን 100 አቀደም ብለሃልና ምን ያህል ነው? You asked me cost?
Yeah, he said he needs 100.
አሁን ዋጋው ጨምሯል.
ምን ያህል ይሆናል?
አሁን የንብ ዋጋ 9,000 ብር.
አዎ አንድ ላይ ንገረኝ.
ቶታል ስንት ይሆናል? ያንዱ
አንድ ላይ
ያንዱን ንገረንና በመጡ
9,000 ነው አንዱ ነዋ
One
ብቻ
is,
ከእንጀራ ውጪ
እሱን
No, no,
ጨምረው።
20 ሺህ ነው አንድ ቀፎ 20 ሺህ አንድ ላይ
you know, one beehive is
Kana
need
ako
with
hashi.
all
Hashi.
20,000.
Ah,
So 20,000 by multiplying 19.
We're calculating, but this is a beautiful area. This is a beautiful project, and our brother is working very, very hard and closely with the EAG to see this accomplished.
So each beehive costs 20,000 birr.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
that's
you
good.
can calculate. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
Okay,
calculate it.
yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's reasonable.
Yes.
So working with the EAGC, and we're going to talk about this more, but just the funding, the training, you are engaged in seeing this becoming a successful business for church planters and pastors.
አንተ በዚህ በዋንደ ጉባኤ እግዚአብሔር ቤተክርስቲያን አንተ ነህ ይህንን ውጤት ለማየት የሆነው ማየት የምትፈልገው ያንተ ስራ ነው ወይ?
እኔ ያው የዚህ ባለሙያ ነኝ።
I'm expertise on this.
Yes, yes.
Also,
I so appreciate your commitment to this project.
yeah. አመሰግናለሁ። በጣም አደንቃለሁ።
I think that what the Lord is doing here is going to prosper. It's going to grow. It's going to be a sustainable impact for and an income generator for the church planters and for pastors throughout Ethiopia, especially in the northern area. As things calm down, we'll be able to get training and produce honey for them to be able to stay on site and pastor the congregations that they are planting, going for 1,000 churches this year. And our brother is committed to this project. Jacob's Hope is committed to this project to see this happen in local churches and in Messianic congregations. So we thank you for your support and your faithfulness in giving and in prayers for this project. God bless you.